Before you throw away a weak tomato plant, check one thing first. Is the plant truly dying, or is the soil simply tired? Many gardeners see yellow leaves, weak stems, dropping flowers, or slow growth and immediately think the plant is finished. But sometimes, the plant only needs a small nutrient boost and better soil life around the roots. And the surprising part is this. Some of the best support for weak plants may already be sitting in your kitchen. Today, I'll show you 5 simple liquid feeds you can make from kitchen waste and garden materials. Each one works differently, so don't use all of them blindly. Use the right one for the right problem. The first one is onion peel tea. Those dry onion skins most people throw away can be soaked in water to create a gentle plant tonic. To make it, place a handful of clean onion peels in 1 liter of water. Cover it and leave it for 24 to 48 hours. When the water turns light brown, strain it and pour it around the base of your plant. This is best for tired plants that still have healthy roots and are still trying to grow. But don't expect onion peel tea to perform miracles. It is a gentle support feed, not a replacement for compost or balanced fertilizer. The second one is fermented rice water. This connects directly to the rice method. Rice contains starch, and soil microbes love starch. When you rinse rice, the cloudy water contains small amounts of starch and nutrients. But when you allow that rice water to ferment for a few days, it becomes more useful for waking up soil life. To make it, rinse uncooked rice and save the cloudy water. Put it in a jar, cover it loosely, and leave it for 3 to 5 days. When it has a mild sour smell, it is ready. But do not pour it directly on your plants. Dilute it first. Use 1 part fermented rice water to 10 parts clean water. Then pour it around the root area. This is good for tired soil, compost piles, container plants, and garden beds that need more microbial activity. Rice water does not mainly feed the plant directly. It feeds the tiny soil organisms that help plants access nutrients. The third one is vegetable scrap liquid. Soft tomatoes, wilted spinach, lettuce, cucumber ends, and pepper scraps can be turned into a strong liquid feed. But this one must be used carefully. Do not use meat, oil, dairy, salty food, or cooked food with seasoning. Keep it strictly plant-based. Put the vegetable scraps in a bucket, cover them with water, and leave them for 1 to 2 weeks. Keep the bucket covered. When the liquid becomes dark and strong-smelling, dilute it heavily before use. Use 1 part scrap liquid to 20 or 30 parts clean water. Apply it only to the soil around established plants. Do not pour it on leaves. Do not use it on seedlings. This liquid is useful when leafy plants look pale or weak and need a growth boost. But do not overuse it, especially on tomatoes and peppers, because too much nitrogen can give you plenty of leaves but fewer fruits. The fourth one is banana peel tea. Banana peels are useful because they contain potassium, which supports flowering, fruiting, and plant strength. To make banana peel tea, chop banana peels into small pieces and soak them in water for 2 to 3 days. Keep the container covered. After soaking, strain the liquid and pour it around flowering or fruiting plants. This is useful for tomatoes, peppers, roses, and other plants that need support during flowering and fruiting. But don't leave banana peels exposed on top of the soil. They can attract flies, ants, and other pests. Also, banana peel tea is not a complete fertilizer. It supports the plant, but it does not replace compost or proper soil care. The fifth one is aged manure tea. This is one of the strongest liquid feeds, but it must be made safely. Use only aged or composted manure. Never use fresh manure directly on your plants. Fresh manure can burn roots and may contain harmful pathogens. To make manure tea, place aged manure inside a cloth bag, pillowcase, or mesh bag. Put it in a bucket of water and leave it for 3 to 5 days. When the water turns brown, dilute it until it looks like weak tea. A safe starting point is 1 part manure tea to 10 parts clean water. Pour it around the base of established plants. Do not pour it on leaves, and do not use it close to harvest on leafy vegetables. Chicken manure is strong, so use it carefully. Cow manure is gentler. Rabbit manure is usually milder, but it should still be used with care. Now here is the simple guide. Use onion peel tea for gentle plant support. Use fermented rice water to wake up soil microbes. Use vegetable scrap liquid for pale, weak leafy growth. Use banana peel tea for flowering and fruiting plants. Use aged manure tea when you need a stronger soil feed. But before using any liquid fertilizer, check your plant first. Is the soil too wet? Is the soil too dry? Are the roots healthy? Because not every yellow leaf means the plant needs fertilizer. Sometimes the real problem is overwatering, poor drainage, heat stress, or disease. So don't just pour anything on your plant. Observe first. Then feed wisely. Kitchen waste can help your garden, but only when it is used the right way. Try one method first on a small area, watch the result, and build from there. At Guide to Green Thumb, we believe healthy soil is the beginning of every thriving garden. Subscribe for more simple gardening tips that actually make sense.